Good day, sir. This is my activity 4. This is my tabular data. The student number, name, math, physics, chemistry, sum, and average. We'll get the sum. The formula is equals sum, open parenthesis, C2 A2, enter. The total is 285. Next is equals sum, open parenthesis, C3 A4 A3, enter. The total is 288. Next equals sum, open parenthesis, C4 E4, enter. The total is 279. Next is equals sum, open parenthesis, C5 to A5, enter. 280. Next equals sum, open parenthesis, C6 to A6, enter. Next we'll total the sum. Drag to down. The total sum. The total is 1,402. Next, we will get the average. Equals average open parenthesis C2 to A2, enter. The average is 92. Next is equals average open parenthesis C3 to A3, enter. The total average is 96. Next is equals average open parenthesis C4 to A4, enter. The average is 93. Equals average open parenthesis C5 to A5, enter. The average is 93.333. Next is equals average open parenthesis C6 plus 2 E6, enter. The average is 90. we will get the average, total average.
Pero mama ka.
Total sum. The total is 467.33. That's all, sir. Thank you.